For today's assignment, we will be writing on page 256, and we're going to read the story on the next page. So go ahead and make your story. Here's my story. We can play. We can not play here. We can help. He has a big sack. She has a big sack too. We put the sack in a bin. They can play here. Now we're going to write our sentence. We're going to write the sentence on page 256. Let's write about something the children in the story do. I wrote, they helped to clean, but you could add more about what they were cleaning and where they were cleaning by looking at the pictures. When you're done with your sentence, ask an adult to help you post this to Google Classroom and send Oli this page back to school.